Hi everybody, just a quick video of what's new at the Sewing Basket here in Plymouth, Wisconsin this week. Just a few things. We got a lot of our notions back in. Many of these items were things that are on our Santa's wish list page at our website, sewingbasket.biz. In the web store, they are back in stock. A lot of things had been out of stock. The other thing that we did get is more of the chairs. The chairs are great. They're hydraulic, and they have a little storage compartment underneath the seat that lifts up. They're real handy. They come in this cute black sewing print. And I also have, now that I closed it, sorry, the white ones aren't coming in until the end of December, so they won't be to us by the first of the year. And the other one is the big buttons. So we do have the black scissors and the big buttons in stock. Sorry, I'm holding the camera by myself today. Then we got some really interesting wide backs in. This is just a really fun print. And we've got a lot of wide backs. The other new ones that came in, this matches the bolts I'll show you in a few minutes up front. Really a neat kind of a watercolor look. And hiding back here in the corner, we got camo and kind of a Christmas green in. And we still have lots of other colors as well. So I'm just going to come across some last minute gifts for quilters. The block books are great. We did get the Happy Quilter, the variety of puzzle books back in, which is just kind of a fun extra little add-on gift, especially if you're doing something like a gift card. And we also pulled out some of our little ornaments. These are just the right size to fold up and put a gift certificate in. We brought those out. Those are $4.99. You get one free if you do a gift certificate over $50. So I'm going to come back this way. We got a few fabrics in this week. This is the Tula Pink quilt that Sheryl did on video last week. She just finished it. It's hanging here on the side. We do have kits on that now. As we come across, the cactuses they came in, I believe, last week, but I don't think I showed them to you. If you've got those friends in the Southwest, they're just really fun prints. And I'm going to move along slowly here, spin around this way, and go over to the table with the books. Again, most of these books we've gotten back in stock. Most of them are $9.99, which is a super deal. They've got 7 or 8 patterns in them, and just a great price. It's the price of a pattern. You get a whole book. The kitchen towels have been selling since Wednesday when we did our video on projects. If you missed that, it's on our daily dose page on sewingbasket.biz, and it shows you how to make some cute little towels. And I'm going to step across here, and this is a new line by Northcott. I'm going to go in close. It's map fabric, and they're actually little airplanes flying around in here. So you've got the maps, and then the coordinates that go with that. There's one that looks like city streets, some bubbles, some airplanes. These are, pull them out here a little bit so you can see. That again has the maps on it. That's the piece that was up on the wall. This one has all country names. Again, just the watermark in all different colors. And this one has compasses and map directions on it. Those all coordinate. These are some new blenders as well, and 2 really interesting prints. Just real modern looking. And those are new as well. Sorry if that's not great photography, but it at least gives you a feel for what's in. And I'm going to walk around, just get up to the middle room, past a lot of the new boutiques that had come in. This is our pattern corner. We have a lot of new patterns that we've designed that work with panels. We've got over 15 different patterns that make quilts, wall hangings, runners, all from panels. They're all in this corner. They are also all on the website, most of them downloadable. And as I come around, the other thing that we had gotten in is some wine fabric. We haven't had any in for a while, and we had these 2 cute cheese bolts. Since we're the cheese capital of the world, we had to have some cheese fabric to go with our wine. Oop. And then we've got, switch my location here a little bit, some prints with wine and words, wine glasses, wine labels, corkscrews, grapes, and corks. So a nice new variety of wine fabric coming in. And I'm just going to slowly take you out to the front door so that you can pretend that you visited the shop. And we're going to head around this way. These are the cocoa line that we got in a few weeks ago. Really fun. They look like plaids, but they are printed, called Coco. They kind of look like the Coco Chanel signature jackets that she did with that woven look. They are cotton, but they have that woven look to them. So that's what's up. And this you've all seen. Take you out this way and give you a look at our Christmas tree and out our front window. The town is all decorated for the holiday, and we hope you have time to visit us before the holidays. We are open tomorrow 9 to 3. Remember, we're closed on Mondays. Wednesdays we're open till 7. And we are closed between Christmas and the beginning of the year. We'll be open until 1 o'clock on Christmas Eve, December 24th, and we will reopen on Tuesday morning, January 5th. We hope to see you before then. If we don't, have a very, very Merry Christmas. Thanks for hanging with us for a few minutes. Bye now.